Hello everyone, welcome to Asha Coding. I am Asha Satik. Today we are going to learn what is Z index, the CSS property. Okay, let us go to the class. We already studied what is normal document flow, HTML elements are displayed in the web page. If it is a black level element, it is displayed in the y-axis. One after another, vertical axis. If it is a inline elements are displayed in the x-axis, horizontal axis. Elements are displayed from left to right. Okay. Once one element takes space in the normal document flow, that space cannot be assigned to any other element. So there is no overlapping. That means elements cannot overlap one over another. So there is no overlapping in the normal document flow. By using some CSS property, we can do elements to overlap each other. We already discussed the shifted element, the transformed element, the positioned elements. The positioned elements only make only real overlapping. The positioned elements only make real overlapping. What is positioned element? By using the CSS property position, we can do the real overlapping. Okay. Positioned element create overlapping. What is overlapping? Elements position on the same space, one over another. So this is the overlapping. By overlapping elements, one element can hide another element. One element can position over another element. So here we use the Z index, the CSS property. The Z index will arrange elements which come forward, which goes to backward, which should very nearer to the viewer, which should go beyond the one element, which should come front and which should go away in the z-axis. How z-axis will be calculated? Z-axis is your eyes, viewer eyes, or the viewer eyes to the monitor. This is z-axis. Your height of the monitor. Your height of the monitor is y-axis. Your breadth of the monitor is x-axis. So the z-axis calculated from your height, your retina height to the monitor. It is z-axis. So when elements are positioned on the same space, they are moved forward and backward by using the z-index property. Okay, let us discuss in the real example. I create 3 boxes. We have to style them. I have created three boxes. One is red, another one is green, another one is pink. You see these 3 boxes are displayed in the normal document flow. So they are following in the y-axis. Red, green and pink as per the source code. First elements comes first, second elements come second, third elements comes third. So as the source code, the elements are displayed in the normal document flow. But we have to make them to overlap each other. We give them position element. Now you see where is the green element, where is the red element. We see only the pink element. Why? All 3 boxes are positioned elements. So elements are positioned in the same space. Then why pink element only is visible? Where is the red element? Where is the green element? Red element and the green element is also positioned element. They are hidden by the pink element. They are hidden by the pink element. If you want to see, we just reduce this size. You can see where is the green element, where is the pink element, because pink element positioned over the green element. Then where is the red element? Red element is positioned behind the green element. We will check. Now you can see the green element, the red element, the pink element. Pink element comes first, green element comes second, and red element goes third and goes to the last element. As these three elements are positioned elements, they are positioned in the same space. Pink element only comes first. They are arranged in the Z axis order. They are arranged in the Z axis. Now we can move the elements in the Z axis. Now we can move the elements in the Z axis. In this term, we use the Z index property. Now, even though elements are positioned, they are still in the Z index value 0. This is the default value of all elements. All positioned elements default Z index value is 0. Now we move elements. Now we move positioned elements in the Z axis. All elements are one. First red element, green element and pink element are in the Z axis value 0. That is default value of all elements. Once all elements are in the same value, when all elements are in the Z index value same, they are displayed as per the source code. The later element, the last element in the source code will be displayed first. Here it is only happened. The third element, element box 3, that which is pink, is displayed first. The second element, that is box 2, is displayed second. The first element, that is box 1, is displayed last. So once Z index are the same, once Z index are same value, the order of element will be displayed as per source code. Now, even though elements are in the positioned elements, box 1, box 2, box 3 are positioned elements, their Z index value is 0. So, they are displayed as per source code. Now, we change the Z index value. Why we change the Z index value? We can move the elements, we can move the positioned elements in the Z axis. Which element should come front, which element should go last. Z index values are calculated or measured from the stacking context. Stacking context is another concept we will see in the next class, but it should be remembered stacking context of parent element. Here the parent element is body element. So body element is a parent element and the stacking context of parent element is used to arrange the positioned elements in terms of Z index value. Now, Z index value of red element is increased and it is higher than all other remaining box 2 and box 3. So, it should come forward in the Z axis. Now, you see the red element hides the pink and the green element because it is higher Z index value. So it's come forward and its element just hide the remaining two elements. Now we make Z index value higher to green element. Why green element coming forward? Even red element is z index value is 1. Green element z index value is 1. When z index elements same value, when two elements have z index a property same value, the source code order is used to arrange the elements. Here green element box 2 is appear later than box 1, so it is displayed forward to the green element. Okay, we give -1 green element, we give z index value -1. It should go beyond all other elements, because when it is comparing to the all other elements, it's only have negative elements. Z index positive value comes very forward. Z index negative value comparing to other elements goes very fast. So it goes beyond the red element and pink element. Now we understand why we use z index value. Z index value is used to arrange the positioned elements in the vertical axis. Vertical axis is calculated from the viewer eyes to the monitor. So elements are traveled in vertical axis only. They are just coming forward and moving backward only. Higher is a integer values coming very far near to the viewer. Lower integer value goes very away from the viewer. So all other elements are z index value. So z index value is calculated from the parent stacking context. Parent stacking context. We will see the what is the stacking context in the next class. And what about the, we already seen the what is the z index default value. Default value is auto. Auto means values, z index value is calculated from the source code. The latter element in the source code will appear very near to the all other elements. And we see what is the z index inherit means z index will be value will be inherited from the parent value. Okay, I hope you have understand the z index property, how to use position elements will be arranged in the z axis. Okay, thank you.